This platform can tilt, lift, rotate, and shift all at once. Meet the Stewart platform, a mechanism with 6 degrees of freedom. The Stewart platform consists of a fixed base and a moving top platform, connected by 6 extendable legs. These legs, called linear actuators, can expand or contract to move the platform in 6 directions. It can move in 3 linear directions, X, Y, and Z, and rotate in 3 angular directions, roll, pitch, and yaw. That's what gives it 6 degrees of freedom. Each actuator is precisely controlled. By changing their lengths together or individually, the platform can move smoothly in any desired direction. Complex movements require careful coordination of all 6 actuators. Stewart platforms are used in applications where precise multi-axis motion is required, like flight simulators, surgical platforms, robotic positioning systems, and even earthquake testing. A marvel of engineering, the Stewart platform turns simple linear motion into complex 3D control. A single platform, infinite possibilities. That's the genius of the Stewart mechanism. If you found this deep dive interesting, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow engineer, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't miss our next video, where we'll break down another classic machine tool, the shaping or slotting machine. How do they cut metal with such precision using just a single point tool? Stay tuned to find out.